Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to quickly walk through how to fix common problems with your Beautyrest heated blanket, including no heat, blinking lights, timer issues, and error codes. Most problems are caused by connection glitches and can be fixed with a simple reset. Start by turning the controller off, unplugging the blanket from the wall, and if your model allows disconnecting the controller from the blanket, wait about 10 to 15 minutes so any stored electrical charge can fully clear, then reconnect the controller firmly, plug the blanket directly into a wall outlet, and turn it back on. If the issue continues, carefully check every connection point. Make sure cords are fully seated, not loose, and free from damage like fraying or exposed wires. For dual control blankets, swap the controllers from side to side if the problem moves. The controller is faulty, not the blanket. If you see an error code, here's what it means. A general E error usually points to a wiring or connection issue. E2 or E3 indicate loose connections, and E4 specifically means the controller isn't communicating properly with the blanket. Unplugging and reseating all connections resolves most of these. If you notice burning smells, scorch marks, or exposed wiring, stop using the blanket immediately. And if problems persist after troubleshooting, contact JLA Home for warranty support or replacement options.